Warning: the chemical products used in this video are toxic and potentially harmful. Be sure to read and follow all instructions and warnings in the material safety data sheets. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to repair the deck of the kayak after it has been torn by the bolt that locks the Keder into the coaming. To make this repair, you will need the following supplies. For your safety, the following personal protection equipment is highly recommended: latex or rubber gloves, safety glasses, and a respirator. Included in your repair kit from Track are the following items: a piece of deck material that matches the color of your kayak, a short piece of Keder, methyl ethyl ketone solvent, also called MEK, and its material safety data sheet, Clifton 1-part urethane adhesive, model number LA4123, and its material safety data sheet, and a brush to apply the adhesive. In addition, you will need the following tools and supplies: scissors to cut the patch to size, a ballpoint pen, a roller, a clean rag, 2 pieces of wood or plastic, and a C-clamp of some sort to apply pressure to the patch while it cures. Once you have gathered the necessary supplies, the next step is to cut the patch material to size. When cutting the patch, be sure to round the corners. Round corners are less likely to catch on your gear when loading or unloading the kayak. The patch should be cut large enough so that the left edge lines up with the start of the tear, and there is at least 2 inches or 50 millimeters of material around the remaining 3 sides, as shown here by the black outline. Now it is time to prepare the patch and the tear area by washing it with the MEK. This is a very important step to ensure a solid bond when the repair is complete. But use caution. Both MEK and the LA4123 adhesive can melt, scar, and discolor most plastics and synthetics. Make sure you are wearing your latex or rubber gloves and are working in a well-ventilated area. Using the clean rag, wipe down the entire surface of the patch. Next, wash the area inside the kayak where the patch will be applied. After washing the area with MEK, use the ballpoint pen to trace out where the patch will be positioned. For this video, I have used tape to hold the patch in place, but you could just hold it in place by hand while tracing. Tracing the patch will show you where to apply the adhesive and give you a reference when sticking the patch on. If desired, MEK can be used to remove the pen marks when the repair is complete. After tracing, it is time to apply 3 coats of adhesive, allowing 20 minutes to dry between coats. Apply evenly over the entire surface, making sure to cover right to the edges. Alternate the direction of your brush strokes with each coat to ensure best coverage. The same number of coats of adhesive need to be applied to the area where the patch will be placed inside the kayak. After the last coat of adhesive, the patch needs to be put in place within 3 to 5 minutes, with 3 minutes being optimal. After the last coat of adhesive, but before the patch is put in place, install the short section of Keder and slide it just past the end of the tear. This will help hold things in place while installing the patch. Now place the patch in place, making sure the edges of the tear do not overlap. Once the patch is in place, slide the section of Keder back over the tear to provide backing while rolling the patch. Rolling the patch removes any air and ensures a good bond. Start in the middle and work toward the edges. Roll the patch in at least 2 directions at right angles to each other. After rolling, use your pieces of wood or plastic and the clamp to apply pressure to the patch. Try to distribute the pressure over the entire patch area. The repair should cure like this for at least 24 hours for maximum strength. When you are done, the repair should look something like this. If the tear is so long that it extends past the end of the Keder when the Keder is closed, you may want to apply another patch on the top of the skin. This will add strength and will look better too. If you have any other questions, please contact Track Outdoors.